Okay, riddle me this. How many of us get wound up by that one work colleague every day? And it doesn't matter how calm you try to be when you're dealing with them, they just end up pushing your button every time and wind you up. They can literally ruin your day. We all know one, right? Have you ever stopped to think why you react or get angry at people? Is it because their mind decides to create a story in their head? It then presents it to them as thoughts. They then act on those thoughts, because to them, it's their reality. And real. The story that's been decided and created by the mind. They listen to the voice in their head. If their story doesn't match up with the story that your mind has created and presented to you, i.e., your thoughts, your reality, then you have a resistance to it. You get angry, or annoyed, upset, and so on. You think things like, it shouldn't be happening, or they shouldn't have said that. Well, in reality, that is what's happening. Two stories, created by two egos or minds. Stories that don't match up. Causing chaos because the minds are running riot and not being observed by the real you. Have you ever really stopped to think about that? And what makes it even worse is that you get angry at them because they haven't played the part in your story like your mind wanted them to. Then you blame them and tell yourself it's their fault you're angry. If you peel back the layers on that, what you're doing is, every time someone or something doesn't play their character role right, according to your mind's story, your mind, that you apparently have control over, not. When your mind realizes that the other characters aren't doing it right, according to its own story, it creates another story telling you why you should have a reaction, and get sad, or angry, or frustrated. Or any other emotion or mood that you don't want to feel. Because if that is what you're doing, you're leaving yourself wide open to have no control over anything in your life. Everyone else is in control of your emotions, moods, and actions. Do you wonder why you are easily manipulated by people's words or actions, and feel powerless over your thoughts and feelings? All they have to do to be in control of your emotions is to not follow the story in your head that your mind has created and presented to you. Because you react, and now they have control of you and how your day and night goes. Do you still think you're in control of your mind? I'm interested to hear your thoughts. Please let me know in the comments.